Ransomware attacks are no longer simple file encryption. They are highly organized, financially motivated campaigns operated by professional cybercriminal groups. These operations are capable of shutting down hospitals, disrupting governments, and causing millions in damages. Stage 1 is initial access, how attackers first enter an environment. Many operators purchase stolen credentials from underground markets to skip initial intrusion. Other common entry vectors include phishing emails, exposed services like vulnerable VPNs or RDP, and supply chain compromises. Stage 2 is privilege escalation. Attackers escalate privileges to gain administrative or domain admin control. Techniques include credential dumping, pass the hash, Kerberoasting, and vulnerability exploitation. More access means more systems can be impacted during encryption. Stage 3 is lateral movement, where operators spread across the network to maximize impact before encryption. They target high-value assets like file servers, backup systems, and domain controllers. They use common tools and aim to compromise the entire enterprise network. Stage 4 focuses on encryption workflows. Once prepared, the ransomware payload executes. The typical workflow involves disabling security, targeting backups, encrypting systems, and leaving a ransom note. Attackers often target backups before encrypting production systems, making recovery extremely difficult. Modern ransomware often includes a double extortion tactic, creating 2 layers of pressure. They steal sensitive data before encryption. Even if a victim has backups, the threat of data exposure compels them to pay. This stolen data can be leaked, published, sold, or used to expose customer records. Modern ransomware groups are criminal enterprises utilizing a ransomware as a service model. Developers build and maintain the platforms, which are then leased to affiliates who conduct the intrusions and deploy the payloads. Infrastructure supports these operations with leak sites and payment systems. Ransomware is fundamentally a business disruption operation. Attackers study organizational structure and finances to target companies likely to pay large ransoms quickly. Defense must go beyond malware detection and focus on identity security, segmentation, monitoring, threat hunting, and rapid incident response. A multi-layer ransomware defense is critical, as attackers spend days or weeks inside environments. Strategies include EDR and SIEM monitoring to detect lateral movement. MFA and network segmentation limit blast radius. Secure, isolated backups and proactive threat intelligence are also essential. Key takeaways from this video include understanding the 5 stages of a ransomware attack, from initial access to double extortion. The modern threat landscape features professionalized criminal enterprises using the ROS model. Understanding these stages allows for earlier detection and stronger defense.